Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love decorating, DIYs, tablescapes, vignettes, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So this is Easter weekend, and my niece Solace is here visiting, and she wanted to do some projects with Auntie. So here we are decorating our Easter eggs and dyeing them, and then we're going to put together a nice tiered tray with desserts. And we also put together an Easter basket. So make sure you watch until the end to see the final result.
Thank you for watching Amethyst Adventure. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bells for more notification. And don't forget to comment and like. Thank you for watching our video.
Well, I think Solace said it all. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this gives you inspiration. Solace and I enjoyed putting this video together for you, and we hope you enjoyed watching. Happy Easter to you all, from my family to yours, and I'll see you next time.